Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Sydney from wildsoulblog.com, where I celebrate motherhood and the simple joys of life. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 smoothie recipes. The red one is strawberry, the white is banana. These are nothing fancy, they are super simple recipes and you're going to love them all summer long. Okay, for the first smoothie I'm doing strawberry. So some things that I have on hand are frozen strawberries. I like to buy these in bulk at like Sam's when they're in season, and I just slice them up before they go bad, and I stick them in gallon size freezer bags in my freezer so that I can use them when I want. I have about a half a cup of crushed ice, and then you can do any type of liquid that you want. I'm choosing to do a cup of apple juice today. And then I've got honey. Okay, for the next smoothie, it's going to be banana. I've just got about a cup of bananas, and then I've got a half a cup of crushed ice again, and this time I'm doing 1 cup of milk, and then I'll do about a teaspoon of honey.